This is our accidental vlog.
Thank you, Mike. Every October, Asturias comes alive with one of Spain's most anticipated cultural celebrations, the Princess of Asturias Awards Week. Held every mid of October, it fills the region with art, dialogue, and inspiration. Kailangan ng ID. One of the most captivating spaces during the week was La Fabrica, the historic Fábrica de Armas de la Vega, located on the edge of Oviedo. Once a 19th century weapons factory, it has now been transformed into a vibrant cultural hub by the Princess of Asturias Foundation. Isang donut and palmeritas. Anong tawag ng pagpalaki? Tapos, porsan. This naman, and this is the baker, I think. So nice. Visitors explored a vast brick halls, vaulted industrial ceilings, and open spaces filled with light and creativity. An atmosphere that perfectly captured the spirit of transformation. Once a symbol of industry, La Fabrica has now become a symbol of renewal, blending Oviedo's rich history with the pulse of contemporary culture.
So nandito po kami ngayon sa old factory, La Fabrica. Factory, dati siyang factory ng arms. So yung kapitbahay namin, si Jose, dito siya nag-work dati.
The foundation opened its program there on October 16, featuring exhibitions, concerts, and interactive workshops. Ang galing naman. Ano to? Talagang...
I think totoo siyang drawing, tas print lang nila yung drawing na yun. Pinicturean din print.
Photocopy.
Parang ganun. Ano oras na ba ngayon?
It's 8:35 p.m.
Yep, 8:35. Gagala pa kami dito. Pero marami pa kayang bata dito. Dito sa Spain, normal pa tong oras na to.
Hindi uso dito yung sombrero sa mga bata. Walang hamog-hamog dito.
Ang ganda, oh. Ibig sabihin, open, international.
Next, mga kanyon ba?
Yeah.
Ang daming halaman. This is corn, right? Ito yung nakikita natin kulay green.
This year's awards week reminded everyone that Asturias isn't just a place of tradition. It's a living canvas for ideas, art, and human connection.
Sorry, para kaming mga ghosts. Ganda, naglagay sila ng ilaw sa buka.
Hindi naman eh. No lang, pang no problem. Bis. Wala ba dito?
Nakatakot yung itsura.
Frase inicial que digo, hola, buenas, mira, perdona, es que me duele muchísimo la espalda. Estoy perdida. Vamos.
Diyan tayo, basta tayo.
Volvéis otra vez donde los árboles.
There, Chararia.
Ha? Uy! Yes, may charerya doon.
Sarado.
Sarado. Palabas na kami.
Balik kami dito kasi meron kami hindi napasok.
May mga oras kasi siya, may mga schedule. So siguro, dapat prepared tayo sa time. Accidental lang po namin to.
Pagka-send ni Mike nung program, punta agad kami.
Since along the way kasi. Ang ganda ng ano.
Malapit lang kami kasi dito.
Yes.
Ay, tamang-tama. Gusto natin maglakad, di ba? Nakailang steps na tayo. 7,000 steps. Wala ka pang 10K, dear. Hindi mo pa natatarget yung 10K mo.
And that's for today's video.
So if you like more contents like this,
Please like, share, and subscribe
see you again.
in our next adventure.
Hasta luego!
Hasta luego!
Hasta luego!